guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I want to say hello to my new subscribers. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, please do. My Instagram is Lyric Rochester, my Facebook is Jamaican Makeup Artist, my Twitter is Lyric Rochester as well. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video. It really means a lot to me. Like, I'm making this for you. Like, I'm doing this for you. Like, everything I do here is for you. So just enjoy the makeup tutorial. Oh, and this is that chit chat get ready with me, but I really only talk when I'm doing my eye makeup. I'm more for my foundation. I told you what I'm using, then I just used it because I was listening to some music, then I was watching what's it, Tea Time? Yeah, Tea Time with Star Milan, with the Milans. So yeah, oh, my chatting long. Alright then, enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my MAC strobe cream, and it just looks like that. So I'm going to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm going to use my spoolie and brush my brows in the direction that they grow so that I can just fill them in. And I'm really grateful that you guys like these kind of videos, like these in-depth videos. It's just hard for me to do because I have the my fan on drying my brushes, and crap, this nail coming off. Shoot, this nail coming off. Then I have to have my music in the background, so just filling in my brows. Alright, so then I'm going to take my Ruby Case level 11, and I'm going to use my Sedona Lace EB23 brush. And you see how hard my brows look. And I know a lot of people on here, they're drawing the brows perfect and then groom them. Nah, boo-boo. I just throw mine on and then I groom them. So I'm going to be using my eBay Palettte. It's completely blank and it's extremely messy on the inside. But I'm just going to take a lighter color using my same EB23 brush. And this color is going to go at the end of my brows. And as I've said before, I like doing this step because it makes the end of my brows pop out more and my brows look more structured. I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime, and this is in Peach Luster, and I'm going to use this to color correct. So I'm just going on the areas that I have acne scarring. I'm going to take Black Opal's Suede Mocha and apply that all over my face. I've only used this to like help darken other foundations. I've never used it just on my face alone, so hopefully it works though. So now I'm going to take my LA Pro Conceal in Warm Honey and I'm going to use this to highlight. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender. It's already damp and I'm going to just use to blend out the LA Pro Concealer. Sedona, well, others are Sedona lace. I'm going to take my 773 brush and just blend out these small areas. Then I am going to take my Ben Nye Topaz and Ben Nye banana powder mixed together, and this is going to do for my all over highlight. So next I'm going to take my Sedona lace. I'm going to take my Black Opal 11 Dark Cocoa and I'm going to take my 928 brush. What is going on with my straps? My 928 brush, and I'm just going to apply this here all over my face where I did not apply the highlight. So next I'm going to take my Sleek Face Contour Kit in dark and I'm just going to continue to low light my face. And I'm using my 224 brush. Then I'm using my 850. I'm going to take my Elf Turks and Caicos Blush and Bronzer Duo, and my Sedona is 863 brush, taking the dark side, of course, and I'm going to pop that into my crease. Ooh, I had a dark color on this brush, man. Oh my gosh, I didn't want it to be that dark. Okay, so I'm going to stop using this. Then I am going to go in with my MAC Painterly paint pot, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Oh, using my 618 brush. Alright, so after that, then I'm going to take my NARS, what's this? It's the NARS cheek palette, NARS cheek palette, and I am going to be taking my 954 brush, and I'm going to be using this color right here. I think this is the color I used. Hold on. Nope, won the color, but it works. So I'm just going to pat that all over my lid, right on top of the, what do you call it again, the paint pot in Painterly. I like it because it has shimmers in it, so, and it's almost like the dead on color of the paint pot, so it's just causing it to the color to stand out more because the colors are so similar. My Ben Nye pressed eyeshadow in 82 Royal Purple. Let me see. So that's a bit deeper in person. These lights, man. These lights though. And I'm going to go in with another Ben Nye pressed eyeshadow in 80 Deep Violet. So let me show you the two of them beside each other. The Deep Violet is deeper. Hold on. See? So I use this first, so I'm going to use this now. And this one, I'm going to focus this one. Do I need a different brush? I'm going to use a different brush. Let me clean this off. I'm going to focus that purple one right on my crease. Hold on. Out on the outside, so. Yeah. Yeah, good. Oh, by the way, you guys need to check out Bella Blair. She's a Jamaican comedian, producer, actress. I believe she's the, I want to say, brand ambassador for Cran Water out here in Jamaica. So I leave her video she did about makeup. Oh Lord God, it's so funny. And I actually met her in person, and oh Lord, I was starstruck. I saw her and I was like, ah! Oh God, it was, I was being a little stupid, just a little stupid. Not full on stupid, just a little. So I'm putting this on the outside, as you can see. So most of the purple will be out there. Most of the purple. I'm going to take my Shades by Gal palette, and let me see which purple. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this purple right here, and I'm using the same side of the brush that I used to apply the deep purple from Ben Nye. That I used to apply this purple I just applied. Same side of the brush. I'm going to put that in the on the outside again to deepen that up a little bit. and I'm patting it on. And the reason I'm patting it on is because I want the color to come out more pigmented. As if I'm sweeping it on, I'm going to get a wash of color, and also if I'm sweeping it on, I'm going to get more fallout because I am getting fallout. So I am just going to take my 376 and just brush the fallout away. Then I'm going back in with my NARS. You see how the purple covering it up over here? I don't want that. Going back in with my NARS and applying the color over on that side, because I don't want to lose the lid color. You see, I have tiny eyelids, so I have to make use of them the best I can. Then I'm going to take my shades by my brush. Lord Jesus. Boy gosh. Okay. I'm going to take my Shades by Jai Deep Hydrating Powder, and this is 941. And as you know, well, if you don't know, this is my brow bone highlight. It's like flesh toned and I like it. When I just started out YouTube, I used to use the white on my brow bone, and I don't remember this, but the Island Beauty and Whole Meek here on YouTube actually wrote me like, yo sis, you probably need to stop putting that out there, bubble. So they're the reasons I no longer put the white on my brow bone, as well as I come to realize that it just looks really harsh and it's not very flattering. I mean, some people can pull it off. I don't think I'm one of those people, so yeah. Then I'm going to take my EB15 brush, clean that off a bit, and I'm going to take that right on the end to blend that area out, just to blend it out. What else am I going to do? I guess that's basically it, you know, you guys. Let me just say my waterline. Sharp my pencil first. Got one sharp more. And this is my Sephora black eyeliner, and it's just called Crud. I don't know. It's not a name. It's just a Sephora. This came with I think a palette that I bought. So I'm going to put this on the outside, on my waterline, and then on my lash line on the outside. Put this on my waterline, then my lash line on the outside. And that lash line is thick, boy. Alright, so then I'm going to take, where is it? My 561, and I'm just going to bring the black over here. Using the same brush, I'm going to take this purple from my Shades by Jai, and I'm going to pat it on the lash line. Right over the black. And do I have it out? Oh no. I'm going to grab my black liquid liner. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Lips, I'm going to be using Max Creme de Nude, and yes, I've been loving this lipstick. And to line my lips, I'm using NYX's 804 Cabaret. Then I will be using this nude gloss over everything. Alright, so for my highlight, as per usual, my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Probably need to get some more, because if I don't, then this is going to be in my February favorites. So I mixed dim light with radiant light. Dim light, radiant light. Can you see that glow? Do you? Oh my god. I'm going to use this purple eyeshadow, the 80, the deep violet, and I'm going to put that as my blush. Now, of course, I'm going to use a light hand. I'm scared. I'm scared. Hold on. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, and this is my EB05 brush. Oh, that's not bad. It's not coming up a lot, which I like because this is purple. So for those of you girls who love purple, then this is the tutorial for you. Just going to take, oh, this is my LB05 brush. I'm going to take the top of it and just kind of merge the two, like the highlight and the blush, just at the top. Smile, make sure I got that glow bubble. Yes. Okay, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you did stay to the end, if you made it this far. Shout out again to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for sharing my videos, liking them, commenting. I don't always get back to you guys on time, but I really try my hardest because I have Instagram to get back to. I have Facebook, which I hardly get back to Facebook, and then I have YouTube, then I have Twitter. It is a lot. Then I have my own personal issues, you know what I mean? So it's a lot to kind of do, but I'm really happy about my lighting. One, I hope it comes up good, and two, just for your support and that you guys are still here watching me, and that means a lot to me. So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.